I want to review with you now this site created by all of my colleagues, as well as myself, and the library, specifically for this course and the activity of research you're now undergoing or beginning. Getting started tells you how to use this website. Finding sources tells you the databases that you can go to for all types of research and topics. Evaluating resources will help you think about, is this source reliable, etc. This one is important because it tells you another approach to determining whether that source is crap, including how to spot fake news. And it does have, which is not showing completely here, a poster that you can look at. Citation. This is where you'll go to check out how you cite an article, both within the text and in the reference section, as well as Zotero, which is a tool, and it too has attached directions on how to use it. Now, using images. To be honest, it's one of my favorites because a few years ago, the provost had the creators and maintainers of what's called Creative Commons, and it was super interesting to me. You will learn a lot from that. If you plan to use in work images, because you can't just pick any image. And this will explain how you know when you look at the image whether you can use it or not, and how you use it. There's a lot here in the writing tab. It talks to you about how you write a review of literature, including giving you a worksheet to analyze what you're talking about. Citation tracing. This is pretty cool because when you find a source that seems promising, you could go here to do two things. First, you should look at what the older sources it is cited, and secondly, you should see what never sources have ever been cited. Just my 2 cents worth here. I can know through this if someone somewhere in the world actually read the abstract to my paper. You'll find as you do the research, you often will look at an abstract to determine whether it meets your topic or not. Just because it has those words that you're looking for doesn't mean it's relevant to what you're doing. Best practices in academic writing actually includes a list of common mistakes. Once again, if you have questions regarding this type of material, don't ask me. First, go to the librarian. You will see how you can have a conversation via text, via, just immediate email, kind of, sort of. You'll ask a question, you'll get a reply, you'll see, I'm researching it now, and then they'll give you the answer. I use it also. Well, this should help you in both your proposal, your final project, and when you're at work. Thank you.